Let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to find R minimum and R maximum of this resistance. First, we have to find the nominal value of this resistor. Yellow is 4. Black is 0. Red is 2. Black represents the number of zeros. Black is 0. It means we have no zeros. We have nothing in there. No 0. That's why I'm going to write ohms over here. And blue represents plus minus 0.25%. Next, I'm supposed to use these formulas to find R minimum and R maximum. R minimum is equal nominal value 402 ohms minus 402 times the tolerance. Okay, this is going to be 0.025, and this is equal 401 ohms. Okay, of course this is ohm over here. This is the minimum value of the resistor. If you want to find R max, this is equal 402 ohms plus 402 ohms times the tolerance 0.25%. So I have 0.025 equals 403 ohms. This is maximum possible resistance of this resistor. And these are the solutions to my problem.